Create a minimalist, protected digital workstation with CTA Digital's premium locking wall mount for tablets. This space-saving security enclosure keeps your tablet protected from theft and easily accessible in offices, classrooms, restaurants, and more. The durable metal enclosure protects your tablet from theft with a powerful lock and key security system and extends less than 1 inch from the wall. The enclosure can be mounted either vertically or horizontally and is designed to allow interior cable routing so that your device remains charged while in use.